Hello and welcome to ForeTrade. Now I will explain how you can enter a trading position. We will use a special report as an example to show different tools available to clients when opening a position on our platform. Today's special report is showing that the Euro-US dollar currency pair is likely to go up in the short to medium term. When we look at this table, we can see that the current price is 1.0719. This is an appropriate point to watch out for. As we expect that the price will go up, our take profit should be at the resistance lines and stop loss at support lines, as suggested in the table. We always suggest to clients to use stop loss and take profits as risk management tools, and you should set this according to your individual risk tolerance. Our first target is at resistance 1, which you can see here is at 1.0920. Our second is at resistance 2, which is 1.1160. And our third is at resistance 3, which is 1.1380. Accordingly, our stop losses should be at support 1. That's 1.0530. Support 2, which is at 1.0390. And support 3, which is at 1.0280. Now, how to place the order in MetaTrader 4. Right-click on the currency pair in the Market Watch section and click on New Order. A new window will open and now you can fill it in. First, we need to determine the volume of the trade. Next, we will set the stop loss level and then the take profit level, which are our support and resistance levels. If the current price is very close to our starting point, we will choose the default type, instant execution. You can also use the trailing stop option. A trailing stop advances the price of a stop loss in the direction of the order, pip after pip. A pip, by the way, is a unit of movement in a currency pair. The trailing stop is active once the order becomes at least as profitable as the number of pips determined for the consecutive stop. The idea of using a trailing stop is to manage risk and to protect gains by keeping a trade open and in profit, as long as the price is moving in the right direction, and then closing the trade if the price changes for a specified price difference that you choose when you place your trade. A trailing stop therefore tracks the instrument's price direction and does not have to be reset. Trailing stops can be used on all instruments including currency pairs. The best way to use a trailing stop is to set the level that isn't too tight or too wide. So you can set your trailing stop if you right-click on your open position or order. The trailing order option will appear. You can choose a trailing order from a minimum 60 points and above. If you want to choose a trailing order higher than shown, you can click on Custom to enter. You decide to place a 100 point or 10 pip trailing stop on it to protect your order. You can see that the order level has now appeared on the screen. If the price goes down by 10 pips or more, the trailing stop will be triggered. But if the trading price moves up, it will follow your position and move in your direction. If the price makes a correction against you, the trailing stop will close your position. It's very important to remember that a trailing order placed on MT4 will only be active while the platform is running. If you close the MT4 platform or shut down your computer, the trailing order will no longer be active. In order to take advantage of medium or long-term trends, we can remove the intraday take profit level by right-clicking on Modify or Delete Order. Then we set the take profit box to 0. Then click Modify. I hope that you found this tutorial useful. Please join us at 4Trade again soon.